Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making this amazing drink, and this should be for every lady, most especially those that experience any funky smell. To prepare this drink, you'll be needing pineapple. As we may know, pineapple is a fruit with abundant vitamin C. Pineapple is a fruit that creates happy hormones in your body. It is rich in antioxidants and it also improves circulation, which makes you feel happy and more energetic. Now, let's talk about pineapple's benefits to the body, especially to a woman. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, and fiber. It improves your gut health and it also helps maintain your vagina natural smell by keeping it healthy and free of infection. One of the amazing benefits of pineapple is it helps your sexual health in the sense that it assists in the clearance of the fluid or the mucus that comes out from your body, and that makes it a good detoxifier. So when a fruit detoxifies your body and its power also reaches down there, just be rest assured because that effect will also make that place to smell nice. So one thing you just need to do for me with your fruits is to make sure everything are clean. I washed my pineapple before cutting it, and do not mind my ugly pineapple because it has been around for some weeks now. So I'm just going to cut off the peel and cut all the sides that looks like it has overripe. So when cutting your pineapple, please put it in mind that you're not going to use all the pineapple. So it depends on the pineapple you have, because if you're like me, you're going to put the amount of calories you take into consideration. And this drink I'm making is only for a single use. So what I'm doing right now is to just separate the middle of the pineapple, which is always hard, to separate it from the flesh which we are going to use. Then I'm going to just toss this away because it's not useful for me. Then the next thing you want to do is to cut your pineapples into small pieces. Cut it into cubes because we are going to measure it, and that is what we'll be using for our measurement. So after cutting the pineapples, I'm going to transfer it into 1 cup. You can see the measurement label there. It's 250 ml or 1 cup. Just to measure your pineapple to be exact 1 cup for this recipe. Now to the next ingredient. The next ingredient is yogurt, and this my yogurt is lactose free. So in case you are hearing lactose free or just something similar to that, it means, or let me just say it in a simple way, if you are lactose intolerant, that is in a situation whereby you take milk or yogurt and you start to purge, you start going to toilet a lot of time. So please make sure you buy a yogurt that has culture in it, or starter culture like my own says, because that is the best one for the vagina health. So yogurt contains this lactobacillus bacteria that lives in the gut. And don't panic, this is a helpful bacteria that can restore a healthy balance of yeast and bacteria in the vagina. Yogurt is one of the best sources of probiotic, and probiotic has a good bacteria that your vagina needs to maintain its healthy pH level. I'm sorry for the blurry camera, I'm going to rectify that. So in this recipe, you just have to measure 1/3 cup of yogurt. Yeah, now it's clear. So that is 1/3 cups. Just fill it with yogurt, and that is the measurement we'll be using in this recipe. Also, yogurt can be an alternative, a great alternative treatment in treating vaginal infection. In fact, it is good for infection, dryness, soreness, and any form of swelling. So I'm just going to set that aside and move to the next ingredient, which is garlic. This garlic has been known since ages to help treat any infection, inflammation, any diseases, especially concerning that area of a woman, which we know as vagina. It also helps to enhance your libido. Yes, garlic is also very great in treating UTI, which is urinary tract infection. So if you have any funny smell down there, garlic is one of the best ingredients to continue using. So in my case, in this recipe, I have small garlic, just little garlic. So I'm going to be using 3 pieces of garlic. or we call it 3 cloves of garlic, I don't know. So if you have the big one, like the big chunk of garlic, only one should be okay. And don't bother, this recipe does not smell, because I know many of us does not like the smell of garlic, but in this recipe the garlic is not even obvious at all. The smell does not have any smell in this recipe. Actually, that was my first time trying to use a big knife to peel the garlic off, but unfortunately I broke my garlic, which was a failure. So I'm just going to quickly peel the remaining garlics and be right back. So now that I'm done with the peeling of the garlic, I'll just set it aside and welcome the next ingredient, which is banana. Bananas are one of the top sources of potassium. It helps the muscle, it supports good hormones in your body, it supports healthier digestive system. Bananas are also very good in lowering your blood cholesterol level, and it supports bone health. It's a good source of energy as well. And there is something that banana contains, which is pectin, so it can help detoxify your body, and this all leads to detoxification. So if you have banana that's already getting overripe or black like my banana, it's okay, there's nothing to worry about. The more the ripeness, the more the sweetness. But just make sure your banana is not spoiled, like rotten, because later in the day I had to pick out the dark bananas because I was having my doubt if it is rotten or it's still good. Okay, so now we have these 4 ingredients right now, which is pineapple, yogurt, banana, and garlic, which are great for the inner body, which are great for the vagina, which are great for women's sexual health. This my combination of ingredients will make you smell like rose. Trust me, it gives good smell to the woman body. So if you are the type that do take a bath at night, then you make sure you wash your body. I mean that part of a woman body, you wash it. Then before the morning comes, when you want to wash it again in the morning, you notice some kind of fishy smell or not pleasant smell, then you need this remedy a lot. You actually need this remedy, because this recipe will change that smell from smelling like fish smell to a nice and beautiful aroma, and you start to smell like rose. Make sure you come back and give me your testimony. So if you've been enjoying this video so far, or this video brought any value to you, please make sure you just click on that like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Share this video to people, because I'm very sure ladies will find something on my channel that will be beneficial for them, or to their sexual health, or to their body, your skin, your hair, just name it. You find everything at Z Natural Care. So the next thing you want to do is to transfer all your ingredients into the blender. Then you blend it till smooth. If you don't have a smoothie blender, you can use a normal blender. Just make sure you add a little bit of water together with the apple cider vinegar I added. So I added 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into my fruits, because that was half tablespoon measurement spoon, and I used 2 spoons of that, which is 1 tablespoon. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been proven effective to limit the growth of bacteria. It is also very effective in curing vagina candida infection. It aids weight loss, it clears acne, it eliminates body odor, which can also be good for the woman body. It treats yeast infection by restoring the pH levels and also ease the vagina itching. It also boosts your energy. So after blending them together, this is what you will get. This drink is very tasty. So you want to take this drink 2 times a week, depending on how severe your situation is. But once a week it's okay, or even just twice a month. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share to other people so they can benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. If you are one that do comment, and guys, thank you to my over 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate the love, guys. I appreciate it. May God bless you all.